everyone, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, I am sharing with you how I made this weekly spread.
The way you falter, I know it's my fault, so could we please just compromise? Tell me what I'm doing wrong.
I started by lightly drawing out the rectangles for each day with a pencil. Then I used a black marker and ruler to outline them in.
Fix this in dead silence. I've already hurt you for too long.
I added this fairy stamp with black and green ink, which is part of the theme this month.
I don't deserve your heart, so speak up. I let down the one I needed safe and sound.
I also glued brown paper, washi tape, and plant stickers in the empty spaces.
I think it's cute when you draw my head. When I ask you to draw something pretty, I blast some music you make on repeat. Even though you always think it's shitty, I'm kind of glad you don't watch movies alone, so I get to hold your hand during Ratatouille. If you think I'm dumb, you hide it well.
And finally, this is what the spread looks like.
Say that you and me, it's the little things that make.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.
You